Today we're going to bring flyby wine, and these are great accessories to take out with you, especially if you go out in a beautiful area, you want to enjoy maybe a glass of wine. You can do that with this one, and also including with this a packing case, so you can have your favorite wine embedded in here. And all you got to do is make sure that you open it right properly, and they go opposite direction. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. This enclosure keeps it nice and cold because they're very cold, so you could get your finest wine or your outing wine. So if you're going to any kind of outing that they make sure that they allow alcohol, you can take this with you and enjoy a good day with it. So let's go ahead and close it up. And before we came over, we actually set up our own wine in here, our red wine. It's already included. I'm going to show you guys how it goes. So they give you bags, 2 of these little bags with the actual system itself that you use, a drip system. Make sure you put the cover before you actually set it up, right? So we have it set up already. And of course, because it's bubbling, it's building gas, you gotta make sure. Now, if you wanna keep it cold, you can do that by doing this. There's an actual area here where the drinks go in here. You can put ice bags if you want, keeping the cool drinks. It has a little flap here that kind of opens up, or it's a hidden compartment kind of thing. So we're gonna put this back in here. It pops out right there, right in front of you. This thing goes back in here anytime you want. It has a magnet, so you could magnetize, it locks in place. It has plenty of compartments for not just wines, but you could carry your phones. Pretty much hidden compartment. This is a grabbing area, so you can actually, if you can see a hidden compartment right here for your wallet. So if you get too much drinking and you forget your stuff, you can put it in here. There's the pocket right here in the side pocket, in the back. This is adjustable. You got your other interior bags in here, so you can set up your laptop and other stuff. Or maybe you want to take crackers or foods or snacks, you can do that. Plenty of room space, and I'm gonna show you how this thing works. So we're gonna close it up here. All right, so all you gotta do is take out the cap, the bottom cap. There you go, very simple. Enjoy your drink. Out of the bag so you guys can see how it works. So basically the bag pours in and you put your favorite drink in there. Just make sure if it builds up gas, tilt it back and push the air so the air can come out. But this bag has plenty of features, plenty of room, and these are disposable. You can order some more, you could display, or you can reuse them, but I want to reuse them. Just add new your own wine. You don't want to mix the wines up. So very simple, easy to use. Hope you guys enjoy the video.